This is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. We're doing a little video here on a couple of things we're looking at. And right now we're watching the Kansas City Chiefs play football, and that's nice too. We're taking a look at a couple of stocks, and I'd like to explain a few things with them. I was an IBD meetup co-leader for 12 years, and actually I've sat down and had lunch with Bill O'Neill, talked one-on-one about stocks, which was one of the greatest honors I had in my career. And what do? We apply this information, looking at the charts, combining both fundamentals and technicals. That helps us build a case. So look at this ARCB. It's just a clean and simple base. You can say, well, Pat, what's so special about it? It's got an earnings per share rank of 98, group rank A+. It's got an accumulation distribution of A-, composite rating of 99. You can't get higher than that. Growth rate, 41%. Timeliness, A. Last quarter's earnings up, you ready? 112%. The previous quarter earnings up 191%. And again, earnings per share rank of 98 and a composite rating of 99. Just going sideways right here, and you can say, well, there was some selling on that bar. It still has an accumulation distribution of A-. They're buying it. They're not selling it. See these clean and simple tops right there? That's it. Take those out and run with it. There you go. There's number one. Let's take a look at another one. This is fun, okay? Here we go. Here's another one we're looking at, diodes. And guess what, Pat, what's so special at diodes? We are very stringent in our selection process, fundamentally and technically. Why? We have a limited amount of money. We have a limited amount of time. We need to use it to the best of our ability, right? These are assets that we have, and we need to take care of them. Anyway, so let's build a case on diodes. Short little shelf here, correct? Clean and simple. Earnings per share rank 98, group rank A+. How's that? Accumulation distribution B. Composite rating 99. I just want you to know you can't get higher than that, okay? You can't. Timeliness A. Last quarter's earnings up. You ready for this? 137%. Last quarter sales up 52%. One of our big foundations, we like great earnings and our great sales. You don't need both, one or the other in leading groups. Relative strength 92, leading into new high ground. You can see these tops here. Look at the green bars. There's some accumulation in here. You got pretty simple tops right here. Now, one thing to consider, it's a shorter shelf. How do you control risk? If you buy it, buy less shares. Buy more shares on long base breakouts, okay? Buy less shares on shorter shelves. Good investing is not one size fits all. Please remember that. Anyway, I just wanted to point that out to you. Take a look at that. And let's see if we can find something else that's kind of festive. Here we go. Here's a little setup I want to show you. This is something I've used for years, all right? Base breakouts are our choice. We like those the best. What else are good? What else is dependable? Right here. Bounces off the 21 EMA. It's simple. See that clean and simple flat base? Yeah, we're involved with it. Yep. You can say, well, what's this? This is a pullback setup, all right, to the rising 21 EMA. It's something to remember. Please know this. Good investing, you don't need a million different tricks in your bag. You only need 3 to 5 that you know really, really well. And make them be patterns. First off, great fundamentals. Secondly, price patterns that everybody can see. We like that. Why do we want everybody to see it? Let's be pragmatic. Picture this. Years ago, I had a friend of mine that was trading out in California. And he calls me up. He's a good buddy. Calls me up and goes, Pat, I found the pattern. I'm telling you what, it's awesome. I said, really? Well, what is it? And he tells me about it. And I said, well, gosh, what makes this so special? He says, nobody knows about it. He goes, it can be ours. And I said, well, if nobody knows about it, doesn't that increase the odds nobody else is going to buy it? And he says, yeah. I said, don't we want other people buying? He goes, oh yeah, that's right. That's why we focus on clean and simple. Look at this. This is a simple base. You could draw that with a crayon. Don't do it. It's a mess on the monitor. But look at this. It's just vanilla. Look at the volume pickup right there. You can say, well, tell me about it. All right. It's only got an earnings per share rank of 68. But last quarter's earnings were up 175%. That's what we were looking at when we were buying it. Actually, they came out after we bought it. The quarter before, when we bought it, this stock had earnings of 500% and sales of 57% when we bought it. Right there. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. You think they voted there? Look at the volume surge. It's simple. Just going across tops. Focus on those. Anyway, we've got a whole bunch more that we look at, but I just want to kind of train our eyes and minds, help you so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's like, hey, this is tough. How do I do this? This is what we teach all the time. Anyway, I wanted to share this with you. We've got a whole bunch more, but that's the key list. Those are key list stocks, other ones. I hope this helps you.